If you want to open a SIM card slot on the Xiaomi 15T, what we need to do is of course take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find our SIM tray over here. This SIM tray has this SIM tray hole and we need to use it. So of course for that we're going to use the SIM eject tool, which you should be able to find inside the box, and we need to put it inside this SIM tray hole. So let's put it in. There we go, and then use a little bit of force in order to push it down so that the SIM tray pops out. Once the SIM tray pops out, we can remove it with our finger tips. There we go. And this is how the SIM tray looks like. So in here we have the SIM number 1, and of course on the back we have SIM number 2, so we can use 2 SIM cards, and we're gonna put them on. So we need to match the shape of the SIM card slot and just put the card in, make sure that it is fully in and it doesn't stick out. And of course I'm going to also insert the second SIM card as well. There we go. And once you have your SIM card or SIM cards on the SIM tray, then we can put the SIM tray back into the phone. Slide it in all the way, make sure that it doesn't stick out, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.